Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be planning in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy. It is in a cover from MLG Co. I'm going to be planning the week of December 6th through the 12th, 2021. These are the washies that I pull to use. I am using Simply Gilded and Rose Colored Days Day of the Week washi. I'm also using this poinsettia floral type digital from CHELA Creates. So this week, I know I say this every time I do a spread, I'm going to try and keep it simple. So this is last week. I did the week on 4 pages, so 2 days per page, and it's all in green. This week I'm gonna do a week on 2 pages. I just don't have a whole lot that I am currently doing, and I know we're right around the corner from Christmas and it may start getting hectic, but I think a week on 2 pages for now will do it. And as we get closer, then I'll probably need more room, so I'll do like a week on, or daily pages even. I might do the week on 4 pages or daily pages. So I'm using the candy cane striped washi from Simply Gilded as the header. And I didn't really have a plan for this spread this week. I don't know. I am not feeling the holiday spirit yet. And I have a box of Christmas things that I use for crafting. I may have some planner sticker books in there. I can't remember if that's where I put them. But I haven't even opened that box yet. It used to be in one of those photo boxes that they sell at Michael's, but it has transferred now into a larger box, storage container. Not one of the giant ones, a medium-sized one. But I really need to, oh, I don't want to put both candy canes next to each other. I really need to pop that open and see what's in there, because it's been a whole year since I've seen it. So I don't really remember what's there. So there is the header. And it's just like I have so many other projects that I want to work on. I don't really want to spend a whole lot of time planning right now. So, and my vision is still, well, I still have one bad eye that hopefully I will get taken care of in the near future, but the eye that I had the surgery on is still blurry. I can tell a huge difference though with the light that I see and the color. Everything is brighter. But I'm still blurry. And I keep I know I shouldn't be Googling, but I keep Googling how long after the surgery will your vision be blurry? And it's saying it could be weeks, a month. Like, oh, I need to be better sooner than that. But yeah, I just feel unorganized right now. I'm not prepared for 2022 as far as planners. The only thing that I have is a new B6 Stalogy, and I'm not even sure that I'm going to be using that. I don't know why I feel like I need to wait until, do I need to put these jam up against here so I can feel like they're straight? I guess I do. I don't know why it's like I have to wait until the actual season arrives or gets really close to the season to do things for it, which is bad because if I'm recording videos or making things, I need to start well in advance. But I cannot seem to get that groove going. Let me get this out of the way. And I don't know what to do about that. Because it's like I'm always going to be rushing to get things done. Like right now, I have no Christmas projects. Well, I got one Christmas project going, kind of. I haven't finished other Christmas projects that I have ongoing. I decided that I'm not going to try to rush myself to get anything finished like that. I'm gonna have to buckle down and figure out a way to keep myself in the mood and to the spirit so that I can get things done in advance. For instance, I should probably be working on winter stuff and Valentine's Day stuff now. But I'm not in the mood. It's not even Christmas yet. I can't focus on that yet. And that's bad. From a creative standpoint. But I'm gonna try and do better. I mean, it's bad in that I don't even have any ideas for anything for Valentine's Day. It's not like one of my favorite holidays anyway. And maybe I should even be working on Easter and spring. It's so hard. I had this chart, and I don't know what I did with it, but I had a chart. I'm going to use these, my hand lettered numbers. I had a chart that told you what time of the year you should be starting on projects for certain holidays or celebrations or whatever you want to call them. And it was a really good chart. It's just that I couldn't stick to it because I just wasn't in the mood. If anybody has any suggestions to help me with that, let me know in the comments because it really is a struggle. It's like in my head, I want to do these things, but then I just don't do them. So these poinsettias are not really the same color red, and I may color them in a little bit with some marker, but I'm going to use them as is for now. I think I'm going to use her again this year. The options for Christmas dolls or whatever is limited. I don't know why people don't jump on that, because I would love to have more Christmas. At least do the colors of your doll stickers with Christmas colors or holiday colors. I went through my dolls and I don't have anything. I have one die cut from COCO'S Vision that is Christmassy, and I do have some dolls from another shop, but I'm going to use those in a different planner. But again, they weren't really meant for Christmas. They just happened to be the right color. So I'm going to use her. She's my favorite from JD and Brooklyn. And then let's add some razzmatazz. Oh, I cut that a little wrong. Let's use it somewhere else, like here. And here. Let's try a big one. Here. And I feel like I need something right here. Let's see if we can get another piece off. So I'm going to put down a couple of these boxes from Piper Paper Company. They are a la carte parts of a kit. So let's see. I'm going to put this one here on Tuesday, because I have an appointment. Let's use plan next week. Right here. These are from Piper Paper Company. Also, just put that right there. I was thinking about doing an article on planning on a budget. If that is something you would be interested in, let me know. I have a website and I don't really use it other than my shop, and I really need to start using it. I used to blog a lot back in the day, not for Scrapcraftastic, but for other things I was working on, and I kind of just fell off, and I really don't post that much on Scrapcraftastic, and I really need to. Let's do laundry day. I'm probably going to do that Wednesday. So I'm just going to plop that up here. Let's do trash day on Thursday. Do a post office run tomorrow after my appointment. If I can keep my energy level up, let's see. Post office run. I'm going to use a to-do sticker on Monday. Then I'm going to use these gift deco stickers as bullet points for my to-do list. I think I'm going to put another to-do right here. I think that does it. I'm happy with that. Gives me a good start for the week. The poinsettias and ivy are from CHELA Creates. The doll is from JD and Brooklyn. The text or script stickers are from Piper Paper Company, along with the box. The day of the week washi is from Rose Colored Days. The header and footer washi is from Simply Gilded. The numbers are hand-lettered numbers, and they are available in my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. I believe that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.